and today we are going to read about dinosaurs and do a fun craft that makes ourselves a dinosaur buddy. So I'd like you to sit back and listen to a story about Penelope, a T-Rex, and she learns a very valuable lesson at school. Enjoy We Don't Eat Our Classmates by Ryan T. Higgins. And it looks like she's got something dribbling out of her mouth. Let's see what that is. Here we go. Penelope Rex was nervous. It's not every day that a little T-Rex starts at school. She looks like she's scared. What are my classmates going to be like? Will they be nice? How many teeth will they have? This was very important. So she looks like she's worried. She's practicing her ABCs. Penelope's mom bought her a new backpack with ponies in it. Ponies were Penelope's favorite because ponies were delicious. Penelope's dad packed her a lunch of 300 tuna sandwiches and 1 apple juice. She's got a big appetite. Finally, the big day came, and Penelope Rex was very surprised to find out that all of her classmates were children. Look, lots of classmates, and she's a T-Rex, she's a dinosaur. There's the teacher getting ready to read stories. So she ate them because children are delicious. Penelope Rex, said Mrs. Noodleman, we don't eat our classmates. Spit them out at once. So she did. Look, there's a shoe coming out of her mouth. It was not the best way to start school. Still, Penelope was determined to have a good first day. And look at all her classmates. They have like little goobers on them, and they do not look happy. She tried hard to make friends at recess. She finger painted some of her best work. Look, she's like, slide down the slide and I will eat you. And here she's drawing her eating the children. She even saved Griffin Emery a seat at lunch. Look where she's pointing. She's pointing right to her plate. You can sit here. Penelope started to notice everyone was making friends but her. Notice the children are hiding behind the wall. And she's playing by herself, and no one's sitting on her side of the carpet. It was lonely. Everyone's over there, and she's all by herself. She's sad. When she got home, her dad asked her about her first day of school. I didn't make any friends, Penelope cried. None of the children wanted to play with me. Penelope Rex, her father asked, did you eat your classmates? Well, maybe just a little bit. Well, sometimes it's hard to make friends, said her dad, especially if you eat them. You see, Penelope, children are the same as all of us on the inside, just tastier. That gave Penelope a lot to think about. The next day, Penelope tried really hard, but poor Penelope, she could not help herself from eating her classmates. Mrs. Noodleman, Penelope ate William Amato again, and they were all afraid of her. So they're running and screaming, ah! They're trying to get away from Penelope. Except Walter. Walter was a goldfish. So Penelope tried to make friends with him. Look, she's putting her finger right there in the bowl. Will you be my friend? Boys and girls, what do you think is going to happen next? Are goldfish nice? We're going to find out. Chomp! That fish, Walter, he bit her finger. Eee! Cried Penelope. He's eating my finger. Look, it's stuck on her finger. Once Penelope found out what it was like to be someone's snack, she lost her appetite for children. Hey, look, she's sad. She's got her finger all wrapped up, and there's Walter watching her. She stopped eating her classmates, even when Cece Woodman spilled barbecue sauce all over herself. And soon Penelope made friends. I found you. Want a brownie? I helped make them. And all the friends are smiling and they're laughing next to her. Now, even when children look especially delicious, she peeks at Walter and remembers what it's like when someone tries to eat you. She's afraid of Walter. And Walter the goldfish stares right back at her and licks his lips. Look, get a little tongue out there. He said, "No, don't eat me." Because dinosaurs are delicious. So this was a sweet story about being nice to one another, and if you're a dinosaur, not eating your classmates. So what we'd like to do now is do a little craft. My coworkers did a fantastic job of coloring and putting together these little teeny tiny dinosaurs. This one's a Bookosaur, and this is, I think it's a Stegosaurus. Come down to the Montpelier Branch Library and you pick up a take and make kit. You will find in there your dinosaur buddy. It's black and white, so you have to color both sides. I've got one right here, and I started coloring it. I'm just gonna finish up just a little bit right here on the tail and color all my white spots. And what's neat about this project is you don't have to worry about going over the lines. Your coloring will look perfect because you're gonna pop out just like this, your dinosaur. And I've colored both sides. And I'm gonna pop out the feet and the legs. And I've colored both sides. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my dinosaur, I'm gonna take the big part, and I'm gonna just puzzle it together, because I really like puzzles, and this is fun. So I'm gonna put the feet together, and there I have my T-Rex, just like that. So now we're starting to have a little school of our own of dinosaurs, right? You gotta be just right for him to stand up. There! And stuff. So please come on down to the Montpelier Branch Library and pick up your make and take. We'll have them here as of October 1st. Thank you and have a great day.